The question was, why in Srimad Bhagavatam so much of sense gratification is discussed? Why there is so much hue and cry about sense gratification? Then Maharaj replied. He said that Bhagavatam itself discusses sense gratification. And people in general, they never discuss sense gratification. Why? Because they only do it. They never discuss it. And we devotees, Maharaj said, we are supposed to discuss the ill effects of sense gratification. And Bhagavatam itself is doing it. So therefore, when we discuss sense gratification, that is only to give it up, never to engage in it. So therefore, in Srimad Bhagavatam, time and again, it is spoken so much about what are the ill effects of sense gratification, how to give it up. So while reading this purport, when I was trying to prepare for the class, I actually counted how many times Srila Prabhupada has written this word, sense gratification. You can also count it down. 13 times he has mentioned. How many times? 13 times. One single word, 13 times he is repeating after repeating. Why? Because to give us the emphasis how much it is very important to not to engage in sense gratification. So therefore it is said that self-realization and sense gratification will go ill together. They never go well together, they will go ill together because you cannot combine them and lead one's life. Not possible. So, after having answered the first two questions, Suta Goswami is now trying to explain in this verse the goal of occupational duties, the Varna. And what is that? Athato Brahma Jignasa, or Jivasya Tattva Jignasa, as it is mentioned in the verse. Jivasya Tattva Jignasa. And then when one engages in inquiring about the absolute truth, Tattva Jignasa, then Prabhupada also mentioned the purport that the research work is so overwhelming that one will be fully engaged. And because he is fully engaged in higher activities, higher taste, there is no question of sense gratification, which is very low. So once Srila Prabhupada asked this question by a scholar, he asked, Srila Prabhupada, what is the essence of all your teachings? You have written so many books, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Yanodi, Yanoi, and so many other books. What is the essence of all of your teachings? Prabhupada quoted these two verses, yesterday's verse and today's verse. That kamasya na indriya priti labho jiveta yavata. That the goal of one's life should be not to engage in sense gratification, but to inquire about the absolute truth. And yes, in order to inquire about the absolute truth, we have to have a healthy body. Otherwise, we won't be able to do that. Therefore, maintain good health and then continue the work. What is the work? Jivasya Tattva Jignasa.